guys, welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina and today we are here at Bene, the Italian restaurant at the Sheraton Grand Bangalore Hotel at Brigade Gateway. We're here today to try the new menu curated by Chef Roberto Apa. And to tell you a little bit more about the dishes, here's the chef himself.
I'm Roberto, I come from Italy. I'm the Italian chef of Bene restaurant. We have just introduced the new menu. This menu is more focused on the classic Italian dishes. Today we had the soup, which was a zuppa di pomodoro e stracciata, which is really typical from my hometown in Napoli. Then we had the fruttarola salad, which is made with fresh fruit, dry fruit, balsamic vinegar dressing with orange. After we had the tortelli with all'anatra, which is duck tortelli. As main course, we have prepared the lamb shank with creamy polenta, and then you had the torta caprese, which is another dessert from Napoli.
So we just had a sneak peek into the new menu at Bene. One of the things we really liked about it is that it takes a bit more of a classical approach to their dishes. So you can find all your favorites there in case you are a big fan of Italian cuisine. Some of the dishes we enjoyed were the lamb shank, the tomato soup, as well as the absolutely fabulous pasta. The pasta here is definitely a standout and Chef Roberto definitely knows what he's doing. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on social media. And as always, stay hungry.